Hello, today I would like to present you this quite interesting vintage Polaroid iZone Instant Pocket camera, which is like a kid version of a regular full-size Polaroid camera, because the film was extremely tiny, like 2.5 centimeters square. They managed to make it cheaper, and it was more appealing for teenagers that were living in year around 2000. Let's take a look how it's presenting. So as you can see, we've got a flash unit, we've got our viewfinder and the lens. If we take a look on top, we've got control of our exposure. We've got like an indoor sunny and cloudy day. It sounds more like a white balance, but I believe it was exposure, and here we've got our off position. From technical point of view, to take a picture, you would select the mode, then you would press the shutter, then you release it, and it go automatically into off. Here we've got a LED indicator, and under that flap there is place for batteries that are being used for our flash unit. It is not battery that is working with the motor, because you do not have one, like on the real full-size Polaroid camera. When you press the shutter, the picture pop up. Here it was made completely different, because you were doing that motion manually, and while doing that you would be squeezing the developing agent through the film. And mostly because of that, it was quite cheap, because it is extremely simple. Here you've got that rubberized or silicone piece, and here you would find like a ending of your film with a pull tab. So you would pull it, you would load the new one and develop the one that you are actually pulling. Here you've got information about the range, and you've got your eyepiece. So this is where you look. There is no information about the film counter, but on each film that you are going to be pulling out, there is information with number. How to load new cartridge, you would go here, you would press that, and it's opening like on regular camera. When I will press shutter, we should see it open. And I'm pretty sure it was captured. And here is your film, and you would replace that cartridge. You would pull it, you would have it sticking, it will go like this. As you can see, there is no advancing mechanism, there is no spool, and that's because it was not using any mechanical elements, just your strength. So as you can see, it was extremely simple and cheap to make. And if I recall, also the film was self-adhering, so after you take your tiny picture, you could stick it somewhere. So it was a pretty funny device. Recently I was trying to find film for it, but it was absolutely impossible. So it is only collectible piece for now. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.